Have you ever opened your textbook, read for hours, and still struggle to recall what you just studied? Or maybe you felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of notes before an exam like GATE or IIT JEE. The truth is, most students rely on linear notes or passive reading methods that don't stick in your long-term memory. But there is a powerful technique that top achievers, corporate leaders, and even memory champions use, that is mind mapping. Today, I am going to show you how mind mapping techniques can help you learn faster, remember longer, and think smarter. By the end of this talk, you will know exactly how to build effective mind maps that will completely transform the way you study, prepare for exams, and even handle tasks in the workplace. So stay with me till the end because once you master mind mapping, learning will never feel the same again. So what is a mind map? Imagine your brain not as a notebook with straight lines but as a web of connections. That's exactly what a mind map is, a visual representation of ideas linked in a way that mirrors how your brain naturally works. Instead of writing paragraph after paragraph, you start with a central idea in the middle, like thermodynamics for GATE or Java programming in the corporate world. From there, you branch out with key topics, subtopics, formulas, diagrams, or keywords. It's not just note taking, it's note making. And the magic, it forces your brain to engage actively, which means better recall, stronger memory, and sharper understanding. Why mind mapping works better than traditional notes? Let's compare. In traditional notes, there are long paragraphs, scattered ideas, boring black and white text. You spend more time rereading than actually learning. In mind maps, there are colorful, structured, and visual. Your brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text, and when you connect ideas visually, you are literally rewiring your brain for better retention. This is why memory experts say the brain doesn't think in sentences, it thinks in images and associations. Mind maps tap directly into that natural way of thinking. They are step-by-step guide to creating a powerful mind map. Here's how you can build your own fast learning mind map in 5 simple steps. First, start with a central idea. Write the main topic in the center of a blank page. Example, electromagnetism or operating systems. Second, create main branches. Draw lines radiating out for big subtopics. For electromagnetism, there could be Maxwell's equations, magnetic fields applications. Third, add keywords and images. Use single words instead of full sentences. Add quick sketches, arrows, or symbols. A small magnet sketch for magnetic fields makes recall faster than writing a whole definition. Next is use colors and hierarchies. Assign colors to branches, for example, red for formulas, blue for definitions, green for applications. This not only looks attractive but also helps you recall categories faster. Next is keep expanding. Add smaller branches under subtopics. Example, under Maxwell equations, you branch into Gauss law, Faraday's laws, etc. And the beauty is, you don't have to write pages of text anymore. In one glance, you see the entire chapter on a single page. So here are real life examples of mind mapping. for competitive exams like GATE, IIT JEE. Instead of reading bulky books before exams, you can create a single mind map per chapter. Imagine a thermodynamics mind map where all formulas, laws, and exceptions are neatly arranged. In 10 minutes, you revise what used to take 2 hours. For college or office presentations, if you are in a corporate job and preparing for a client pitch, you can mind map your ideas, solutions, and flow. It keeps your thoughts structured and avoids messy slides. For personal growth, even habits like time management, fitness, or career goals can be mapped visually. A mind map for morning routine could include meditation, exercise, reading, and planning the day. Mind maps are not just for studies, they are a life skill. The science behind mind mapping. You might wonder, why does this actually work? Because mind maps engage both sides of your brain. For left brain, it is logical, structured, and organized. For right brain, it is creative, visual, imaginative. When you combine the two, learning becomes both efficient and enjoyable. Research shows that students who use mind maps improve memory by up to 32% compared to traditional note taking. That's the difference between an average student and a top scorer. So here are tips for effective mind mapping. Keep it simple. Don't overload with too many words. Use symbols and images. They stick longer. Revise regularly. Look at your mind map daily. It becomes like a photo in your memory. Digital tools, apps like Xmind, MindMister, or Google can help you prefer digital notes. But honestly, even a pen and a blank paper are powerful enough. So here's the truth. If you are still old-fashioned notes, you are working hard but not smart. Mind mapping is the bridge between knowledge and understanding. It's not just about learning faster, it's about learning in a way that sticks. Whether you are preparing for IIT JEE, GATE, corporate projects, or personal development, mastering mind maps will make you sharper, more confident, and more productive. Remember this, the best learners are not those who study the hardest, but those who study the smartest. Now it is your turn. Start with one topic today. Take a blank page, write your central idea, and branch out. In just 30 minutes, you will see the power of visual learning. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more powerful techniques on success, productivity, and career growth. And tell me in the comments which subject will you create your first mind map on.